Hello student.
Welcome back to my channel Thames. So student, if my video useful to you, don't forget to like, share and
Subscribe
subscribe
my
my
channel
channel.
and hit the bell icon to get any update. Today I will discuss modern rule used in accounts. So let's get started. According to the modern rules, there are 5 kinds or 5 types of accounts. These are asset account, liability account, capital account or owner's equity account, expenses or losses account, income or gains account. Classification of accounts can be shown in the chart also. Then our point is liability. Meaning of liability. A liability is a present obligation of the enterprise arising from the past events. An organization or a firm can different types of liability such as mortgage loan, trade payable, bills payable, outstanding expenses, any type of reserve, loan from bank, debenture, advance or pre-received income, etc. Then our point is asset. Meaning, it is a resource or the property having a monetary value possessed by an individual which is capable of producing some future economic benefit. An organization can hold different types of assets such as furniture and fixtures, land and building, plant and machinery, motor vehicles, debtors, bills receivable, cash in hand, cash at bank, prepaid expenses, goodwill, copyright, patents, premises, etc. Then our point is expenses. An organization or a firm spent or incurred in an different kinds of expenses to generate revenue, such as carriage inward and carriage outward, custom duty, any expenses relating to factories such as freight, grease, wages, salary, fuel, heating and lighting, stationery. Other than that, depreciation, advertisement, interest. There are many kinds of expenses and it can also be office expenses like rent, staff salary, bank charges, insurance, lighting, etc. Then our point is income. Income means it is generated from sale of goods or services. An organization earns different incomes from the different source such as rent received, commission received, income received, sales, discount received, etc. Now I provide you the rules of debit and credit according to the modern rules. Capital account is to be debited when it is decreased. Capital account is to be credited when it is increased. Revenue account is to be debited when it is decreased. Revenue account is to be credited when it is increased. Asset account is to be debited when it is increased. Asset account is to be credited when it is decreased. Liability account is to be debited when it is decreased and liability account is to be debited when it is increased. Expenses account should be debited when it is increased. These rules are summarized as follows. Increase in asset debit, decrease in asset credit. Number 2, increase in liability is credit, decrease in liability debit. Number 3, increase in capital credit, decrease in capital debit. Number 4, increase in expenses or loss debit, decrease in expenses or loss equal to credit. Number 5 is increase in income credit, decrease in income is debit. Following points should be remembered. This is the left hand side of every account is debit and the right hand side of every account is credit. Asset account should be debited when it is increased. Asset account should be credited when it is decreased. Liability account should be debited when it is decreased and liability account is to be credited when it is increased. Revenue account is to be debited when it is decreased and revenue account is to be credited when it is increased. Expenses account debited when it is increased, and expense account is to be credited when it is decreased. Capital account is to be debited when it is decreased, and capital account is to be credited when it is increased. In simple way, student, remind these things: rule of debit and credit of income, capital and liability are same. Similarly, rule of debit and credit of expenses and asset are same in the modern rules. So that's all for today's video. Student, do not forget to like, share, comment to my video. Keep support to. Thank you, student.